Hello friends, welcome to SAS Food Blogs.
How to make easy and refreshing fruit salad recipe in summer. Looking for a quick, healthy and delicious snacks or dessert? Try this refreshing fruit salad recipe packed with juicy, colorful fruits and full of natural goodness. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more delicious recipes. Hit the bell icon to never miss an update. Ingredients for making fruit salad recipe: apple, pomegranate, green grapes, mango, honey and lemon juice. Preparation method: take a bowl and add 1 cup of finely chopped apple. Then add 1 cup of pomegranate. Then add 1 cup of finely chopped green grapes. Then add 1 cup of finely chopped mango. Then add 1 teaspoon of honey. Then add 1 tablespoon of lemon juice and mix it well. Transfer the fruit salad to a serving glass. Summer special fruit salad recipe is ready to serve. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more delicious recipes. Hit the bell icon to never miss an update.